um so so the way Django project or Django application actually works is, um so let's say I want to, my front end, that is my landing page, or I just visited the website and I saw a link and I want to click on the link. Now, so if you click on any link, you see that the URL, the address, the web address on your on your um on your uh, where you enter your address actually changes, right? So this is my feed now. um if I want to go to my notifications, if I click on it, it goes to slash notification, then slash whatever this is. Then if I'm back to maybe my network, it will go to slash my network, like that. So it's making like a what they call it's making a request, what they call HTTP request, um hypertext transfer protocol, yeah, if I remember correctly. So it's making a request to where this application is being deployed, which is a server. That hey, please give me the URL or the link to this particular um, page and serve it to me. I need it. That's what it's saying. And by the time you click it, you see that this URL changes. So for Django, by the time you do this clicking, it goes to Django's project URL. So Django has the project, this project that I actually created has a url.py file. This first base, if I open it, you see it has a url.py file. So it goes to this particular url.py file and say, see, I need a link to a particular request. And once it does that, it will now redirect to the application, because remember I tell you, you cannot do anything without application in Django. So most likely that request you are making to say your notification or my network or to the landing page, um, is a Django app, and every Django app must also have a URL. Now this URL will now communicate with a file called views. These views is where you write your logic. So show me, maybe show me, so if you see this notification, you say filter all. So show me all the notifications. Show me the first 10 notifications, the first 20 notification, and that's why you'll be seeing things in bit anytime you, sometimes if you click a particular place that needs plenty information. So it will say, show me all the posts or all the feeds. It's inside this views.py. You write all of those logic, and now this views.py file, you understand, it now interacts with your model. Now your model is the middleman between um your whole application and your database. Now inherently, every request you make, the information is being stored somewhere on a server and in a database. So whatever request you make or thing you do on the internet, it's actually going to pick this information that is sitting down on somewhere called the database. Now, for Django interacts with this database through the models.py file found in Django application. I think I'll stop here, and in next video we would talk about it more before we continue our web application in Django.